Aviktas in the sunset. Fantastic views out to the sea and over the pleasure beach as we're getting higher and higher. Oh yeah. What a ride this is. So forceful.
Beautiful sunset.
Yeah! Oh yeah!
Hey, big one's open!
I think that's the most forceful ride I've had on this.
Yeah, I was going to say that as well. I'm going to sit on the seat again, I think.
Yeah, same. Incredible. Awesome ride, awesome soundtrack. If you've not come and done it yet, come and ride it at Blackpool Pleasure Beach Resort.